Ever felt like your money just disappears into thin air? You're not alone. We all struggle with managing our finances at times. But what if there was a system that could help you take control? Enter YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. But how exactly does this budgeting tool work its magic? Let's dive in. YNAB isn't just about tracking your spending. It's about giving every dollar a job. The core principle? Every dollar you earn has a specific purpose. It's about assigning your money to 4 key areas. Giving. This covers charitable donations, tithing, or any other contributions you regularly make. Saving. This includes short-term goals like vacations, emergency funds, and long-term dreams like a down payment on a house. Spending. This covers your monthly expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Rocking it. This is for enjoying life. It's that extra money for fun, treats, and spontaneous adventures. YNAB operates on 4 simple yet powerful rules. Rule 1. Budget every dollar. This is the foundation. You're not just tracking spending, you're actively deciding where every single dollar will go. Rule 2. Give every dollar a job. As we discussed, every dollar should have a purpose. This eliminates aimless spending and helps you prioritize your financial goals. Rule 3. Roll with the punches. Life throws curveballs. YNAB allows you to adjust your budget on the fly. If unexpected expenses arise, you can easily reallocate funds to cover them. Rule 4. Age your money. This is where the magic happens. YNAB encourages you to use last month's income to cover this month's expenses. This creates a buffer and helps you avoid living paycheck to paycheck. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you receive your paycheck. Instead of just letting it sit in your bank account, you'd use YNAB to assign it to different categories. $500 to rent. $200 for groceries. $100 for utilities. $50 for entertainment. $150 to your emergency fund. $50 to a vacation fund. Now, as you spend throughout the month, you'll track each expense within YNAB. This provides instant feedback on how you're doing against your budget. If you overspend in one area, you can easily adjust and reallocate funds from other categories. Using YNAB offers numerous benefits. Reduced stress. Knowing where your money is going can significantly reduce financial anxiety. Increased savings. By actively prioritizing savings goals, you're more likely to achieve them. Improved spending habits. YNAB helps you become more mindful of your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Achieving financial goals, whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or simply enjoying a more comfortable lifestyle, YNAB provides the tools to make your financial dreams a reality. Ready to give YNAB a try? Here are a few tips to get started. Start with a fresh start. Begin by entering your current account balances. Don't worry about past spending, focus on moving forward. Keep it simple, don't overcomplicate your budget. Start with the essentials and gradually add more detail as you get comfortable. Be patient and consistent. Budgeting takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Utilize the YNAB community. The YNAB community is incredibly supportive. Connect with other users for tips, advice, and encouragement. YNAB is not a magic wand. It requires discipline and effort. However, by implementing its principles and utilizing its tools, you can gain control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.